A set of data items is normally distributed with a mean of 11 and a standard deviation of 4. Convert each data item to a z-score. So for 18, we want to take 18 minus the mean and divide it by the standard deviation. So 18 minus 11 divided by 4, and that's 1.75. 12 minus 11 over 4 is 0.25. 8 minus 11 over 4 is negative 0.75. And 1 minus 11 over 4 is negative 2.5. Now, it doesn't say to do this, but if we want to show the z-scores underneath the standard normal distribution alongside their corresponding x values, it will look something like this.